With this short video, I want to share a few insights from my recent lecture which I gave at the Rome Business School for international students of the Master of Fashion Management. I'm telling you this because I see some commonalities between the design and creative industry as well as the fashion industry. Both of them are highly visible. The emotional branding value is very important and products are tangible for the clients. So let's look about what is branding. It all starts with the DNA of a company, and if this is unique, it will mean that they have a unique, differentiated position in the market and are different compared to their competitors. But actually it all starts with the customers, especially how they process information in the brain, because humans are actually feeling creatures that think. That means first we feel emotionally, and second we rationalize this emotion. So if the emotion is positive about a brand, it means it will lead to a purchase decision. And if clients are happy, they will not even buy but also recommend and increase the brand value. So what is actually branding? It is the goal to match what a company has as their own identity and what consumers think. So that's the brand image. And if this overlap is big, then you have done the branding part very well, because then it will increase value, profit on the long term. So for companies, it's important to choose well their naming, to establish guidelines to internally and externally communicate well, and because a unique brand will actually increase the loyalty, and that's all that companies want. So for your company, here is a short checklist. Check number 1, is your communication, is that relevant to your target group? Check number 2, is it integrated what you do? All the touch points with your brand, are they all integrated? Third one, over time, is it consistent what you communicate about your brand? And last but not least, is your brand communication authentic? This is a little checklist to take away for you and hopefully apply for your creative and design business. I wish you success with branding.